Welcome back, everybody. Yeti Trades here. So I'm going to go over a few trades rolling back all the way to, I think, Thursday last week, maybe Wednesday. I didn't do much trading, so I didn't put out a video after Monday, no, Tuesday, after Tuesday. So let's just jump on in. So KSCP, this is a news that I played, but I did not alert. I don't want to alert ones like this that can be real sketchy. I have experience with KSCP. I've traded it in the past, and I just kind of know what type of news makes it bump. So that's exactly what I did here. I got in right here at 36 on its low. Let's look at it on the 2-minute chart. So got in right here. That's where I got filled at on a limit order, and it immediately bought back up and held in this 39 range. So I stayed right here with it, and I knew it takes sometimes a day or two for that news to kick in. They had a big buy order or something. More of their security robots were purchased, and I exited up here the following day at 41 on a limit order. I did miss out on more move. It went up further before dripping back down. Then it had news again of another big order today, but I didn't hit it this time. I don't like hitting KSCP back to back. It just doesn't work out for me usually when I do. So, SPY. This one was Friday, it looks like. I nailed this drop. So this move, coming up, coming up, coming up. Calling this play the TSDR. He talks about it all the time. Doesn't have a name, so we're naming it the TSDR. Where the stock comes up, sells off, curls back up, and then drops. Now, oftentimes it plays out better than this, but I nailed that entry. I got filled as this wick, as this candle came down below this body candle. I smashed that market order button, and I sold down here at the bottom. 42,750 range was where I was looking to get out at. So I got out just above it, like 427.51, maybe 52, but I got out on the sell down. That was a good play. I forget what percentage it went for, 30%, 40%, something like that, in 4 minutes. Roblox was another play from Friday. This was in my watch list from Thursday night, and basically I was looking for it to reject this gap fill zone right here up above, this zone right here, and then sell off, and that's exactly what we got. I was a little busy with futures at open on Friday, so I missed this initial push right here. Got out of futures and started focusing up when we started trending sideways up here at this 42.15 mark I had. And then once we came down here, tested the 41.85, I waited for us to come up, hit the 9, this blue line right here, took my puts entry and covered here, and I covered the rest right here. I did miss more move down, but I got a good meat of the move right there. That was another good win. And then let's talk about today. So today, IWM. I don't know if you guys who watched this video had the same problem. There were a lot of people in Discord having the problem where a portion of the market was just acting weird for 2 minutes. You can see IWM looks like it halted, but it didn't. The stocks just literally froze across several different platforms for a lot of people. I had entered in IWM puts on this candle here as we rejected the 9, and then I didn't know where it was going. I couldn't see it. I didn't know if it was spiking up. So I put in a limit order to get back out at what I got in at for break even, plus the fees. So a little, just a penny higher than what I got in at to cover the fees, and it took about 3 minutes, but I got filled. And then, of course, it sold off drastically afterwards, which is the way it works, you know. But it's better to play it safe than sorry. I had no idea if it was spiking up and I was about to be down a whole bunch of money because the chart wasn't moving, the level 2 wasn't moving, the stock prices weren't moving. Everything just kind of froze up for about 2.5 minutes or so. It was really weird. Really kind of ruined a play for me. Would have been a good runner. I'll tell you right now, I got in at, so I bought the IWM, what did I buy? I bought the 179 puts up here. And these were the ones that expire on Friday. So I bought the weekly 179s. We went all the way down here to 178.50. I got in at $1.28, got back out at $1.30. However, they ran to like $2.40. So big letdown on that. Big market glitch this morning. I don't know if anybody lost a lot of money on that and couldn't get out. I don't know if anyone can get in trouble over that, but hopefully you guys are okay on that one. And then lastly, I want to talk about this one. So this is another news alert that I put out this morning. I got filled at, let's see, right in this area. So I put the news alert out, and this is about where I got filled. Because I put it out, hadn't moved yet, put in my limit order, and got filled right away. And then I ended up covering right here at 14 in pre-market. And the reason I covered in pre-market instead of waiting, so I covered on the way up. So I had several entry points, exit points. No, dang it. So I had several exit points that I was covering small shares at a time. But anyway, the reason I wasn't wanting to hold those remainders up here and see if it ripped higher after the market opened is because at pre-market the level 2 was showing really big sell orders stacking up in the mid to upper 15s. So from 14 cents up, really big sell orders were stacking in, and I just had that feeling it was going to flush. So I went ahead and played it safe, covered the rest at the top here. Didn't know it was going to be the top, which is what I got hit at. So those were my last few trades. Been real good wins for me, real good percentages there. I think this top sell here was, I don't know, 28-30%, something like that. Anyway, that's what I got, guys. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.